This segment of Coastlife is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Oh, Coastlife, it is my favorite part of the week because I get to do a little taste testing, of course, for our dish of the week right here in Milford at Benvenuto. I'm here with Chef Jesus. Chef Jesus, how are you doing today?
How you doing? Hello, everyone.
Good. What are we cooking up today?
Well, I'm going to let you take a guess. What do you think we're cooking today?
Okay, I'm seeing some syrup here. I see a waffle maker. Chicken and waffles?
That's exactly what we're doing.
Ah, yes.
All right.
So what goes into making this?
So it's a very simple process. Look, cooking is very simple. It really is. And if it weren't simple, I wouldn't be doing it. All right. I like simple things. I really do. So what we have here is some chicken cutlets. All right, that we have pounded out. The reason we pound these out is so that they cook evenly, right?
Okay.
So if you have a chicken breast that's thick on this end and you know thick and thin at the bottom of the lobe, this part's going to be way overcooked before this part. So the same applies to anything that you're frying. So we like to pound these out, and we soak these in buttermilk. All right, so these are soaked in buttermilk, and then this is our seasoned flour. Okay, that we're going to dredge this in. So this one has paprika, white pepper, a little black pepper, salt, a little bit of cumin, a little bit of our Creole spice. It's just to lend a little bit of flavor to it. It's not just plain flour.
Yeah.
You know how the Colonel has like 32 herbs and spices or something? All right, we have something like that.
Perfect.
All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to dredge this chicken, and we're going to drop it into our deep fat fryer.
Okay.
While that's going, we're going to prepare our waffles. All right. So we're going to prepare our waffles, and then we're going to pair the two together, and we're going to top it off. It's just a beautiful dish.
Perfect. Oh, I'm excited. Let's get to it.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this back to the fryer.
Okay.
I'm going to show you guys how we fry this up.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Sounds good. So, here's our chicken.
Coastlife.
How beautiful, right? All right. Now here's it does. It smells amazing, and that's all the seasonings that we had in that flour.
Yes.
So look, we're just going to season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now remember, whenever anything comes out of the fryer, you probably have 30 to 45 seconds to get seasoning on it. Otherwise, it's not going to stick. All right.
Gotcha.
So anything that's fried, I always hit it with a little seasoning. Now, we're going to set our chicken aside here, and
should we check on our waffle?
we're going to check on a waffle, and I think it's going to be beautiful. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
All right.
Nice and golden.
Yes, we have a beautiful waffle, okay, and we're going to pull this waffle out, all right, and I'm going to show you what we do to plate this.
Okay.
So we're going to cut it this way first,
Nice.
okay, and then we're going to cut it this way. So we have these 4 triangles, all right? Now, here's our plate for today, all right? And I'm going to show you exactly how we finished this waffle, all right?
Yeah, I'm seeing some garnishes here. I'm sure that's going to get included.
Yes, because look, not only does it have to taste good, it has to look good too, all right? So we have our waffles, and then what I'll do is after I cut them, all right, we're just going to lay these out like that. See that? I want to turn it around for our friends at home, okay? All right, so that's kind of how you want to present it to your loved one. All right, you're going to do that. All right, then we're going to take our chicken, okay, and I'll show you how we do that. We're going to put our chicken here.
Okay.
Whew, that looks so good. We're going to put a little chicken there. See that? So we're building something, right? Now, we are then going to take, this is pure maple syrup.
Nice.
All right.
Gotta have the syrup.
You have to have the syrup. All right, and look, it's like one of those TV commercials, right? Where that syrup is just oozing down. Right?
Coastlife, you getting hungry?
Look at that. I like a little extra on mine, but that looks absolutely amazing, right? And then we're going to hit this with a really nice Creole spice that we have in-house here. All right, just for color and a little bit of extra flavor. All right, and this here goes great. This is a crunchy garlic.
Crunchy garlic.
Yes, which I love. I think it's just a nice addition. Okay, and then last but not least, we take some green onions here, and if you slice these on a bias like really long and just soak them in some ice water, you get these really long, beautiful strands. And look at that.
Wow.
All right.
That does look so pretty.
It does. It does. And look, again, this is It's not about just making good food, but you want it to look like.
Yes, you eat with your eyes also.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
And I love this little pop of color that we're getting from the green too. It's all you need. It's very subtle, but it makes a huge difference.
Absolutely. And now the only thing left to do is you have to try it.
Oh, I have to try this.
All right.
Oh, Coastlife, I am so ready to dig into this. Let me get a piece. I want to I'm scared to ruin it, guys, but I want to get like a piece of this chicken with the waffle right here. And then, let's get a little more waffle. You see what I'm doing here?
Yep, try not to mess up the dish.
Yes.
All good. Make sure you get some of that pure maple in there as well.
Get some of this too.
Yep.
A little bit of everything in this bite.
Yep.
That'll
be like the perfect bite. And you can use your fingers. It's chicken and waffles. You're
there
good.
You go. Ready, Coastlife? See this? Oh my gosh.
Are you lying or are you serious?
I'm so serious. This is amazing.
It is. It's a really good dish.
See, what I like too is that extra crunch you get with the garlic.
Yes.
It's not just from the chicken.
Like the chicken isn't crispy enough, right?
Right.
But no, I just think that the garlic.
It does add a little extra crunch to it.
Yes, and a little nuttiness to it that I think sometimes is lacking.
And even the green onion.
Yes, just fresh
really
green
complements
onion.
the dish.
It really does.
It is.
It's
nice. Fresh is the right word to use for this.
It's like the outfit.
Yeah.
Right? Chicken and waffle wears an outfit, so you have a nice outfit, right?
And Coastlife, don't forget, as delicious as this dish is, it gets even better because this is our dish of the week. So if you go into Benvenuto and mention that you saw this dish on Coastlife after you order it, you get 10% off of this dish. You can't beat that.
That's right.
Well, Chef Zeus, thank you so much for having me in today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you guys for being here. I love it, and I love Coastlife and everything you guys do. So always an honor. Thank you so much.
Well, we're honored to be here to be trying this amazing, delicious food. So much flavor, so much fun. But you know what else is flavor and fun? It's Coastlife. There's more of that coming up.